Hello. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the perimeter and area of a triangle. First, we will explain the definition and formulas you need, then we will look at where you can find triangular shapes in the real world, and finally, we will go through a practical example of the calculation. A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. It is one of the basic shapes in geometry. The 3 sides of a triangle can be of different lengths, and the angles between the sides can vary, but the sum of the internal angles in any triangle is always 180 degrees. Triangles are classified based on the lengths of their sides, scalene, isosceles, or equilateral, and their internal angles, acute, right, or obtuse. We can find triangles in many places in our daily lives. For example, in architecture, the roofs of houses, bridges, and other construction structures. In art, many artworks and decorations contain triangular shapes. In nature, mountains, leaves. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the lengths of all 3 sides. If we have a triangle with sides A, B, and C, we calculate its perimeter as follows. The area of a triangle can be calculated using the base and height. If we know the length of the base, A, and the height, h, perpendicular to this base, we use the following formula. Now, let's show how to calculate the perimeter and area of a specific triangle. We have a triangle with the side lengths A equals 5 cm, B equals 6 cm, C equals 7 cm, and a height h equals 4 cm perpendicular to side A. First, we calculate the perimeter. Calculating the area. We calculate the area using the base and height. For the correct calculation of the perimeter and area, visit Formiax.com or click on the link in the video description. I hope you have learned how to calculate the perimeter and area of a triangle. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.